Hey, Al Williamson here, leadinglandlord.com. How's everybody doing? Hey, I need your feedback. As you know, I've done 2 books now. One of them is about how to increase your income, your equity, through improving your neighborhood. And the second one is about how 40 ways to increase your income. That's a book. All these are on Amazon. And the third one I'm thinking, which is the third part of my trilogy, is on expense reductions. And I haven't written it yet because it's a lot of work. It's probably the most difficult book out of the 2. So before I start, I want to know that you want this book. Okay, so give me some feedback. If you want me to put together 40, 50 ways to reduce the expenses of your rental properties and your personal home, give me some feedback. Tell me I should do it, okay? And if I do it, I'm gonna want you to support me, okay? Because it's a lot of work, but I think it's very beneficial. Okay, so give me some feedback. Email me, share this video, let me know that you want it, okay? All right, thanks.